Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mo, aka PaidTrader here. Just taking a look at these markets, and gosh, man, the euro yen just been calling some crazy, awesome, aggressive trades for those that want to take them, and they have been looking pretty darn sweet, like scary good. But I'm looking at this pound dollar at the moment, and sorry, I just got a new big screen. And I'm thinking it might do a quick reversal right about here. I think this is going to be the area. Let me grab my, this is stop zone. What number is that? That is 2396. So this was our first attempt to get down to our level of interest, our first level of interest. Interest. You guys know what I'm saying. This was our first attempt earlier. Price came up, kind of hung out in its overall range. This is about its action line actually for its overall range since the whole crazy crash debacle. And I believe this still has some more downside pressure in it, but let's just see what happens over the next few candles to see what that looks like, what this week might shape up to look like. But I'm thinking that if the next candle prints above this, above this area, above this, resistance right here, that going short for the rest of the day may just be out of the question. And plus being, that it's going to be a bank holiday, let's just see what the rest of the world is thinking. So this candle right here is not going to be the ultimate deciding factor, but it's definitely going to have an influence on the next couple of candles coming up. So we'll keep an eye out, keep you posted as I watch this. And excuse me the mess in the office. I'm doing a little changing, a little remodeling. Start this Monday fresh. So I'll keep you guys posted on the pound dollar. And man, these EU trades have just been, just on the money, like almost to the number nasty. It's cool. Just watching it. See if I could grab that for you. Hold that. Nope. Boom. So this was the let me just break this down for you guys. So this was the deal. It created an aggressive signal. Got one right in here, and went up to the action line. I was like, expect some a reaction. Got a reaction right in here. Broke through, and actually, yeah, no, this is about right. Came up into its resistance area, and do I even need to say it? Do I even need to say it at this point? So came up, hit resistance, reacted off of the resistance. But unlike the average trader who will try to hold on to the other side of the range because that's what they're taught, I just go to Main Street, and those that know me know what Main Street is, the action line, because that's where all the action is. Came down, but putts, then bumped around a bit, started shaking them out, started doing the dance. Oh yeah, now it's happening. This is just so easy. Okay, anyway, so, and boom, it shook him out, went back up, couldn't close above. Was a little tug of war here, and then came back down. Gosh, man. And if I have to anticipate where the take profit, ready to take profit should be, let me grab. I'll be looking right in here just to be safe. Wow, this is pretty solid, man. Pretty solid of a day. Now, I call out the aggressive trades. I don't necessarily take them. I like for trades to hit my level of interest, which neither the pound dollar or the euro yen have done. I've got my alarm set, but none of them's ringing. None of them's calling me. So, but yeah, this is cool. I'm pretty excited for you guys to start understanding this. Ranges are fun to play. They're just so much fun to play. You know? So, anyway, that being said, I will keep you guys posted, and I will talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mo, aka PaidTrader here. Just looking at this pound dollar situation. So what I am seeing here is, let's drum roll please. It looks like price really wants to break this level. It really does. But people are hesitant, people are scared, but they have to move somewhere. And once it comes down to this level, even though I'm not trading this past the time that I normally trade, I'm just watching it. No, it's not. It really wants to. If it does, it's going to probably shoot on to the next level of interest. But if it doesn't, depending on how this candle closes, if this candle closes up, sorry, I've got like 3 screens. If this candle closes up, I would be looking for a target of 2380, and then from there, 2380. I can't see that far. It's on my bigger screen over there. From 2380, I would just watch it and see how it's acting in this area. If it continues up, goes up to the action line, we'll probably get a reaction off of that as well. But this may just be a whole new range starting, you know? So that's the deal, guys. That's my analysis. I've got to go and get some stuff done, and then I'll catch you guys on FB or in the room later. All right, PaidTrader out. All right, guys. So if you are in that aggressive buy, we are just about to bump up against our take profit. We just have a couple more pips. If you guys want, you guys can take some off the table now, because, like I said, this is an aggressive trade. I did leave some room with, anticipating a further move up to actually to 95, to 23.95. That is the anticipated overall, but this is a good safe place for an aggressive trade to exit at 23.80. scalp a few pips. So yeah, so these are my aggressive trades. I trade a little bit more conservatively. I like to wait for a price to hit my levels of interest, which are right here, these magenta lines. But this market is dictating something a little bit different. And you got to be able to like just, feel that. Forget that I said the word feel. If anyone ever says the word feel, the next thing that's coming after it is going to be a loser. Because we don't feel. we have facts, logic, and stats. See how price acts around its levels? Like, it just knows. And it's not price, it's people. This is us. Amazing. And if that's not love, I just don't know what is. Do you know what love is? So how you guys doing on Telegram? It's bumping up right against it. They say that last pip is always the hardest. So like I said, this is an aggressive trade. So if you guys wanted to take some off now, I would totally understand. But I'm pretty binary when it comes to that. I'm an all or nothing kind of guy. If it hits your TP, you hit your TP. If it hits your stop loss, hit your stop loss. Just needs one little push. You see how, price, how we just respect these levels? I'm telling you guys need to trade. You guys have all these crazy indicators on your charts that I don't even understand what 2/3 of them do, and I've been doing this for a long time. When you can simply, here we go, just lines on the chart, time of day, the simple stuff. Yeah. I threw out a last minute emergency Euro yen trade last week. Boom. There we go. Boom. Done. Simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Albeit this is one of my more aggressive trades. And that's all you need. Yep, and it's gonna go right to its ultimate destination, which is, drumroll please. But being that this was an aggressive trade, played it a little bit safer. Because I would have to make it through all of this. This is, I already have a line there, excuse me. Right here. That's where it wants to call home. If and when it reaches there, that level. 23.95. Pretty much, might as well call it the figure number. It'll probably just kind of hang out, meander. Quite possibly a reaction off of it, south, hit this level, the figure number 23.95-ish, give or take, and then react off of it, and then come back and hit this low. That's just what I would anticipate. But this is, the market probability. It could, break right through and shoot for its next area, next level. So this is PaidTrader Forex, and I'm PaidTrader, as you guys know. It's a pleasure to have you guys on, and I like throwing out these aggressive trades just to show you that things can be done on the spot, and it's possible. And that's why I record them, so that no one can try to call bullshit. Especially the ones that have been trading for 4 months. Ridiculous. But I'm happy for you guys. Those that hopped in on this trade, I'm getting a few messages. Made a little bit of money. And started off their Monday green, so that's good. I know a lot of folks were scared to trade the pound dollar. That's why on last Friday, I opened up the trade room for questions and answers, for Q&A. And, I had some great questions, and people who were really honest and open about their fears. And, the topic was, fear, greed, and how to trade through this market. And it was really cool. I enjoyed doing that. So keep a lookout for the next time the trade room's open. Shoot out a link, early or earlier than I did last time. And stay on top of FX Hat. This is a good group. That's hashtag FXHAT. Pretty damn amazing. I gotta pinch myself sometimes. Alright, so I'm gonna close this out. It's Monday, guys. So for some of you guys, it's the end of the day. How was your day? Did you make a difference? Do you feel like you were significant, made an impact, or you moved closer to your goal, to your dream, whatever it is? Hopefully you guys did. Mondays are opportunities to just rock the week, set the tone. Whether you win or lose, it's just life, and and you are alive. Like, the chances of you being born is like 1 in some crazy number. So be proud of that and own it. And you're meant to do amazing things. So be happy that it's Monday. You get to get up and go do something that somebody yesterday didn't get to, isn't going to get to go do. So, all right. I love you guys. I appreciate all the comments. I appreciate, all the respect, and I just want to see you guys, succeed and not fall for all of the sheep and all the wolves and all the vultures out there preying on you guys. Ask why for everything. Why? And don't just automatically discount something too. I see a lot of you guys do that too. Just discount something because you've been scammed once or whatever. I don't know. So anyway, you guys rock. We'll continue to rock. I'll be on. If there's something, I don't know if I'm going to throw out aggressive trades every day. That's not going to happen. I'll tell you that much. But, when I see a setup, and knowing that you guys have been getting beat up a little bit, I'll throw it out there. There's no point in me just banking on it. So, anyway, love you guys. Keep pushing. From Perseverance HQ here in good old Portland, Oregon. It's Mo, aka PaidTrader, and I'm out. God bless. And guys, one more thing. Look at that chart. Look at that. Boom. And it's home. And it's home. Boom. That's all you need. You don't need 1,000 pips a day. Alright, I'm done. It's Monday. You don't need me to get my rant. It's not, rant Friday or something. So, anyway, holla at you guys. Just lines on a chart. Alright, boys and girls. This is a quick update on the pound dollar, guys. So, last time I left, we were talking about, I was laying out what I anticipated would happen. I was laying out the story of the pound dollar, and look at what has, come to fruition here. So, like I said, amazing. Let me slide my mouse on over here. Okay, cool. So we got our aggressive entry right in here. Went long. The the conservative exit was at this level here. If I recall correctly, that was 2380, 2380. And then up top, this was home. That's what. So, which was around the figure number. So you hopped out here at the conservative entry. This was your aggressive. I'm sorry, exit. This was your aggressive exit. And I said you would more likely see a reaction off of this level. And boom, that reaction is what you're seeing right here from this level. Because from here, this was home. This was his ultimate target. I had mentioned that it would probably react off of here and to come test this area again, which it initially did. Came down to test it. Then, the next bar tested it and then finally broke through. And then, like I said, onto its next level, which was the LOI, which was my level of interest. And now we're testing that. We're coming up off of that level of interest. And from here, done. You don't even need to look at the chart anymore. Just wait till tomorrow. But yeah, this is, a beautiful thing. It is. And I just wanted to give you guys that quick update. There you go. You guys could have got it going and coming. And that would have been an easy, but like probably about maybe 60 pips. So there you go. All right, guys. Hit me up if you guys have any questions. Within reason, I'm more than happy to do my best to help, any and everyone out, honestly. And that's about it, guys. I look forward to seeing you guys on Tuesday. Take care.